On the occasion of World Earth Day, our reporters Nelson Antao and Nathaniel Nunes attended the Calm Let's Mangrove event held at the riverbanks of Bondebat, Sankwal.
Come, let's mangrove.
Was this activity conducted last year also?
Yes, this is the second
phase. Okay, so do you think this is important or not economically important activity?
This is economically very, very important considering the climate change, and by restoring the mangroves we are taking care of our economics actually, and we are taking care of our earth. आणि आता this is a simple initiative. This is Bondebat सांकवाळ आणि आमचे बरोबर हिंगाचे locals who are very dedicated and concerned about हिंगाचे फाटल्या वर्सांनी because of the storms जे erosion जाला and you can see the wall that has collapsed. So हे सगळे आता restore जातले जाल्यार we have to bring back mangroves over here. ही गरज तांकां बीन दिसली आनी त्या पासून त्यांच्याच उल्याक आमी कान दिवन सेंट जोसेफ वाज कॉलेज प्लस निसर्गा नेचर क्लब, चिकालीम यूथ फार्मर्स क्लब, गोएंचो एकवोट, सपोर्टेड बाय फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ गोवा आनी गोवा स्टेट बायोडायवर्सिटी बोर्ड आमी हो सिंपल इनिशिएटीव गेल्ल्या वर्साक घेतलेलो ऑन आमची गोवा स्टेट फूड डे ऑन 30th May. That was the first phase. This is our second phase that we have started well ahead of monsoon. Amso target before the monsoon sets in, we have to complete at least 5,000 propagules. आयज आमी सद्याक ह्या थोड्याशा वेळाक सुमार 500 propagules घातलेले आहा ह्या धाकट्याशा जाग्यार. आयज आमी ज्यो स्पीशीज घातलेल्यो आहा त्यो रायझोफोरा म्युक्रोनेटा, that is the red mangrove, the real mangrove. आणि दुसऱ्यो स्पीशीज ज्यो आहा त्यो आमी सवकास हाडटले भितर, स्पेशली कॅन्डेलिया कॅन्डल, which is supposed to be proposed as the mangrove tree of Goa. So they hangasor plus we have the Vareg Island and this entire Zuari shoreline hingasor आमी घालपाचो आमचो attempt करतले by the time monsoon sets in June. At least 5,000 propagules we have to complete.
Even here we can plant, this entire area we can plant.
Now this is the place where we are having a direct wave action. So the wave action last year आमी जे रोयल्ले ते आमचे उडून गेल्या because of that reason, because of the wave action. And in order to after understanding the wave action in this place, we have come to this side where it is more shallow. हिंगा उदक वता धरून आणि प्लस थोडेशे स्पीशीज हिंगा आहा. So this is the reason why we have come this side. At the same time, last year जिंगा आमी रोयलेले आनी उडून गेले ते आमी परतून रिस्टोर केले ह्या वर्साक. Around 50 propagules we have replanted over there, where सुमार एक 6-7 जे आमी गेल्ले पावटीक रोयलेले ते धरलेले आहा, जाल्ले आहा. So तांकां सपोर्ट दिवपाक हे पावटीक आमी आनीकूय रोयले. So the bigger ones which are 1 year old. So गेल्ले पावटीक आमी घातलेले ते वर fresh propagules. आता फ्रेश propagules म्हणटा ते आमी हिंगासर in this shallow area घातल्या ते उत्तले. पण when we have put them in the direct wave action where they are not rooted, ते उडून गेले आणि जेंका roots जाल्ले ते उरले. So हे पावटीक आमी the rooted ones directly हाडून घातल्या ते they will catch the root.
And also where there is destruction of mangroves, जेन्ना ब्रिजाचेर काम चलता ना रस्त्याचेर काम चलता, lot of areas along the Zuari there is destruction of mangroves. So this is important to restore also those areas.
Okay. So these were the actually collected propagules from different places?
Yeah, we have collected these propagules from Cortalim area where you come down to enter Mormugaon. दोन्ही वाटेन तुवें पळयत जाल्यार थिंगासर ते बरेशे propagules आतां जाल्ले लांबलेले दिश्टी पडटा. At the same time they are fallen and already germinated. twice a year we have these propagules coming down and germinating, so it is a good opportunity to plant these propagules of rhizophora. And rhizophora needs high salinity, so therefore towards the shore, towards the sea, we will have rhizophora growing better.
Also today is Father Bolmax's birthday. I think while most people celebrate their birthday in a more materialistic way, we have a fine example of Father leading all of us in planting something which will outlive all of us. So I think that is a good reference. आमच्या भुरग्यांकूय हें पळोवपाक बरें की फादर आपलो बर्थडे सगळ्यां बरोबर mangrove plant करून मनयता.
So indeed, Mangrove man celebrating the birthday with the nature, with the mangroves, with the mangroves.
फादरान आमकां फोन मारलो आपल्या बारबो रावपा आमकां समुदाय आमगेले आमी आमगे हिंगाची बोणे बाटांतली समुदाय आनी फादरान आमकां फोन केलो आमकां बरें दिसलें आम फादरा सपोर्ट करपा रोवपा आमी सगळीं आमगे समुदाय येयले.
सेम तुमी एश कोन लास्ट टायमूय केल्लें एश कोन
आमी लास्ट टायम या
सेम प्लेस जोरीन हिंग जोरीन म्हणटा
बोणे बाट
आं बोणे ओके बोणे बाट ओके 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 हांव तुमकां एक नोट कोता रोयता आसतना चोयतालो की तुमी फातरांको रोयताय वयर रोयलो न्हय कितें अशें तें म्हणल्यार तुमगे लॉजीक बिहायंड दॅट. ओके सो तुम लास्ट टायम आय थिंक वयर आं ओके ओके सो फातरांको रोयलो ती तुमगे आहाय थोडी ओके 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 फाटल्यान दिसती पडाय तुमगे तरी पासून आहाय थोडी ओके ओके फायन. आनी कितें तुम सांगपाचें तें एश करून
बरें दिसलें
आयज हें कनाक ओके सो तूं मेकली आहलोली हिंगा म्हणच्या समुदाय तुमगे बोमेवाडा समुदाय एकू आहलोली आनी कोण आहलोली तुमगे बरोबर आं सो
पूण आतां हो दिनाय ते फाटी जायत जाण आहलो आमी
ओके
सगळी समुदाय येयलोली
ओके सो तुमकां दिसता वावर फादरानूय फुडें व्हरचो आनी तुमी ताका सपोर्ट करतली म्हणून दिसता. ओके ओके या या थँक्यू सो मच. Hi, what's your name?
Varun.
Okay, so what actually are you doing over here?
I'm here for the mangrove plantation.
Okay, wow, that sounds good. Okay.
To plant the mangroves to protect us
Okay.
in the future from rise and sea.
Okay, thank you so much.
Today we've joined Father Bolmax and the youth, the Chicalim Youth Group, and of course St. Joseph's College to do the mangrove plantation. We had done this last year, we are also doing this year, and we have a few children and dogs also with us, and it's nice to see not only people from the village but a lot of youth leading this initiative.
Very pleased and a very productive evening with a small but highly committed group of mangrove volunteers led by Father Bolmax. And this year what I noticed was that the work was much more professionally being done, and the group as a whole has learned from some shortcomings which were experienced last year. I thank Father Bolmax and his volunteers for this wonderful experience. Thank you.
We, the members of the CYFC Farmers Club Chicalim, along with our mentor, that is Father Bolmax Pereira, have taken up this initiative of growing mangroves at the shoreline here at Sankwal. I think this drive of mangrove restoration that we have taken up today is a much needed one at the recent times, because we see a lot of development taking place in Goa at a very speedy rate. So this shoreline of ours is very important for us, and it has to be restored, it has to be protected. So this drive that is planting mangroves over here at the shoreline, I think today we have planted at least around 500 propagules, and this is the second phase of our initiative, of our drive that we have done today. The previous one that we had done, we had planted at least around 1,000 ones on 30th of May, that is Goa statehood date last year. and the one that we have done today, okay, is an addition to it. So I think such activities or such restoration processes have to take place time and again to protect the entire coastline of Goa, which is in danger today. So yeah, we have done this drive along with Goencho Ekvott, Nisarga Nature Club and St. Joseph Vaz College, and we are happy to say that we have done a bit of ours today. So thank you.